Okay. Thank you very much. We are here through this video. So we are going to see client-side programming language using JavaScript, and yeah, we are going to start the introduction by saying what is JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is the most popular scripting language on the internet and it works in all major browsers such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Opera, and Safari. So whatever operating system we're using, JavaScript can work either on a Linux, Mac, or even on a Windows. And by saying what is JavaScript, JavaScript was designed to add an interactivity to HTML pages, and real scripting languages, JavaScript usually embed directly into HTML page. So here JavaScript it is usually work in connect with HTML pages. So JavaScript is an integrated language, means that script execute without preliminary compilation. No need of compilers to compile JavaScript. Everywhere in the browser you browse that browse that and compile the JavaScript. Everyone can use JavaScript without purchasing license because it is an open source. Yeah, then people of these days are used to make confusion about Java and JavaScript. So are they the same? Of course not. Java and JavaScript are two completely different languages in both concept and design. Java, developed by Sun Microsystem, is a powerful and much more complex programming language in the same category as C and C++. What can JavaScript do? JavaScript gives HTML designers a programming tool. HTML authors are normally not programmers, but JavaScript is a scripting language with very simple syntax. Almost anyone can put small snippets of code in the HTML pages. So JavaScript can put dynamic text into an HTML page. A JavaScript statements like this: document or write. This is heading 1 and name plus heading 1. You see, this is the HTML syntax here, and can write a variable text in HTML pages. So JavaScript can react to an event. So once you want to work with an event, use JavaScript. As here said, JavaScript can be set to execute when something happened, like when pages finish loading and when user click on HTML element. JavaScript can read and write HTML element. You can add up or clean up the HTML element using JavaScript. So any changes, any interactive change you can make with JavaScript. So JavaScript can use it to validate data. JavaScript can use it to validate data before it is simulated into a server. This saves server from extra processing. JavaScript can be used to detect visitor browsers. Yeah, JavaScript can be used to detect the visitor's browser, and depending on the browser load another page specifically designed for the browser. JavaScript can be used to create cookies. JavaScript can be used to store and retrieve information of the visitor's computer. How to start? In HTML, script tag is used to insert JavaScript into HTML page and put some snippet into HTML page. So, for example, you can say shows how to use JavaScript into on a page. So, right now jump to our VS Code. Then we see the simple code. You may see the simplest code. So open folder. Then you can create a new folder called, let's say, JavaScript. And this folder, yeah, let's buy here now. Now try to highlight this. For example, let's call it example.html. Get new file example.js. Then in our HTML page, we may copy this and paste it. paste it here, and it seems to be an error because this is an HTML page, not an HTML. So what we have to rename. Instead of example.js, then example.html, HTML or HTML, profile allowed. Then this is don't wait for this error, and we may just come and run this to see. They choose like Chrome. Then you can see here it is our hello world. So by explaining this, you see here we have our general HTML syntax, and we improve by putting the script tag. Then you specify the type of JavaScript. You can use document.write to print out the words. So here document.write form will print out the hello world, and once it comes to our page, you see that this word hello world has been occurred. So you see how JavaScript is somehow interactive, and we may just our hello world from here. We can just even put a whole syntax, whole HTML syntax like this. So once we do like this, then putting h1 to mean it is heading 1, then putting h1 just closing tag. It has to be closing tag. And once we refresh, you see this hello world is an h1 element text. So that's wonderful how JavaScript is somehow good. So to insert JavaScript into HTML page, we use script tag. Inside the script tag, we use the type attribute to define the scripting language, but this is not necessary. You can use it as you wish. No need of having this type text, but for specificity, you have to use it. Then our script tag have opening and ending tag, then tell us where JavaScript to start and ends. Yeah, here it is how HTML and is structured. We have HTML attribute, then body, then inside the body put the script type. Then after script type, we just have to put this kind of then the document.write command is standard JavaScript command for writing output pages. By entering document.write command between the scripting tag, the browser, and we recognize it as scripting command execute code. In this case, the browser will write hello world to page. So HTML body. If we had not entered the scripting tag, the browser would have treated document.write hello world command to pure text, just write the entire on the whole page. So right now, remove the scripting tag and see how it could look like. Once you do like this, then don't worry, so you see that this scripting tag, the document.write, have been the pure text. So come back on how our video was. Then how to handle sample browser. Browser do not support JavaScript. We display JavaScript as page content. To prevent them from doing this, as part of JavaScript standard, HTML comment should use the hide JavaScript. Just add HTML comment tag before JavaScript statement and the edge of the comment. So if we want to hide this JavaScript, you may use the comment. Like this standard can help us to hide this document. Then the 2 forward slashes and comment line is JavaScript comment symbol. This is prevent JavaScript from executing this tag. So thank you for watching. Next time we shall have where to put JavaScript. So thank you very much for watching again. It is a great pleasure to have you. Make sure you subscribe and share to this so that each people and our community may grow. Thank you very much.